Hello and welcome back to the channel. A lot have happened since the last video. I had a front tire explosion on my truck. That's why you didn't get any video for 2 weeks, because it was in the workshop getting repairs. So it was a quite scary moment, but now I have tried that, so let's not do it again. Plowing Forest mot Långnäs. This is a smaller road, so I have to use the radio to warn upcoming trucks that I'm...
Långnäsvägen mot väg 374.
Var du efter 555 sa du?
Ja, jag är efter Långnäsvägen. Jag vet inte vad han kallas.
Ja, om du har kört mot Långnäs mot Plowing Forest, var är du någonstans?
Ja, jag svänger alldeles strax ut över bron eller över vattnet.
Ja, då kan vi möta varandra. Jag börjar just.
Ja, just det.
Jag plogar så vi kan försöka hitta någonstans att stanna.
Jag tror jag ser dina lyser nu.
Ja, men stanna där då i Selsborg så kommer jag.
Korsningarna.
Jo, då kan jag vika in där.
Jag tror jag kommer en lastbil till bak i mig. Jag vet inte, en singelbil. Jag vet inte hur långt bak i mig han är.
Ja. That's exactly why I use the radio. Och tack för att du hade radion igång.
Ja, det var tur det. Det är en till ren bil också, även längre in, som håller lossa några renar. Så att du är beredd på det.
Ja, tack så mycket. Ja, där kommer. Eller någonting i alla fall.
Kommer den och han.
Let's reverse. That was not another truck with... The first truck had reindeers on board. Or whatever you want to call it. But I guess it's Christmas, so... they gotta come to North Sweden somehow. Maybe they travel with truck. But it said there is one more incoming, but that wasn't it, because that was a truck with an excavator on. So that's why it is so important to use the radio, because I don't want to meet the big logging truck on full tilt through a corner. Because as you can see, there is no room. Then we have to reverse or find some place to meet. So let's not do that. Yeah, as I said, I was on my way home from work and my left front tire exploded and destroyed the left side of the truck. But now it has been in the workshop for 2 weeks with all new plastic parts and other stuff. And left side is repainted, so I think all is good. Let's hope it is. So it's a strange day. Where I live, we have had about 4 inches of snow. But as you can see here, it's a lot of it. But at the end of this road, in about 20 kilometers, there is almost nothing. That's why they haven't called before, because there is no snow on the close to the city. But further west, they have had up to 6 inches, I think. Road is about 25 kilometers long, maybe something like that. And we're reaching a crossing with a bigger road that is also mine to plow. Here's another car. Let's hope it's waiting. Yes, it does. Yeah, like everybody else, when they see the plow truck, they are reversing. Because they don't wanna get hit by the spray from the truck.